Hi everyone. I have come up with another topic, that is bird in hand, word, two in the bush. It means we don't value those things which we have. We value those things which we do not have. And our mind already accepts this thing. Our mind says that we should value those things which we do not have. And mind doesn't help us value those things which already we have. Why? Because suppose I have the job, I want to just go for another job. This is my hope. It's okay. But just because of this hope, what present job I have, I'm not working over there properly. How could I get the another job? Because experience is counted always. Experience is counted by another company also. So when I'm not working here, what I have, how would I work better over there, which I will have in future? So this is the mind which creates the problem. It accepts those things it runs for those things which we don't have. It does not utilize those things which we have. Let me give an example. Candle is useless unless we light the candle. A person is useless unless in person's soul the fire which should be lit. If the fire in person is not lit, so the man is useless, the person is useless, because burning desire which person has is not going above. I have the problems, I want to solve the problems. How could I solve the problems? When I look for the solution. And if I keep telling the people I have the problems, would my problems be solved? No. Because I'm just looking down. Looking down, it means you are getting the shoes. You will find the shoes. So telling somebody I have the problems, it means you are not going to get the solutions. How you could get the solutions? When you look for the solutions. When you ask people that I have this problem and I want this solution, can it be done? If somebody says yes, it can be done, then you ask how it can be done. So it's a learning, it's a practice which you are going through. But if you tell I have the problems and you are telling your problems, but you are not telling how you can find the solution. So those people who have the problems and they do not get them solved and they do not know how to solve the problems, they are useless. But those people who look for the solution and find the solutions, they become successful. And success things happen when successful people do these tasks in the absence of unsuccessful people. So what do unsuccessful people do? When successful people are reaching the pinnacle, unsuccessful people waste their time, they sleep, they make excuses. So it happens when we have something and we are not valuing it. I have a tool. I want to fix the problem, but I'm asking somebody to fix my problem. Can it be done? Okay, fine. If somebody fixes your problems, up to how long person would fix? I feel hungry and I'm asking somebody to take the food. How? Can your stomach be filled up? No. It is your stomach. You need to fill up. It is your problem. You need to solve it out. It is your fire, burning desire. You need to let it brighten. Let the flame brighten. Let the flame be brighter. Don't let it go down like this. Don't put the water on that fire. Don't put negative thoughts in your just emotions, your feelings which are really hiking, which are achieving the targets. So what you have, utilize them. What you have, make the most of them. Don't take them for granted. If you take them for granted consciously, so these things will be killed unconsciously by you. So this is the thing, this is the moral of the story. The bird in hand, word, two in the bush. Are you getting? Thank you guys. Have a nice time.